Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about with how can we solve guys this problem, this top back problem guys you have in your Techno phone. So how can you solve this problem in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So as you can see, you cannot use your phone. And how can you solve this problem in your Technophone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So don't worry guys, I will tell you, I will show you, then guys you can solve this problem in your Technophone within 1 and 2 minutes guys. So don't skip the video guys. Now let's see how to solve talkback problem. So then first of all guys, you will have to scroll your phone with your two fingers. So you can see, if I take this one finger, so you can see I cannot use phone. So we will scroll again with two fingers. Use your two fingers guys. It doesn't matter guys which finger guys you are using guys, you can use any two fingers. So once click on your phone setting with your one finger guys, and guys wait here, and guys double tap guys, you will have to tap with one finger. Friends, you can see the setting option means setting. So I scroll with your again guys two finger. A special function guys you can see in your Techno mobile. So is tap here and double tap to continue friends. Then guys again you can see your accessibility setting friends. Tap here, double tap. Friends, you can see talkback and tap here, double tap guys here. Sorry friends, I paused the video. So as now continue how to solve talkback. Friends, you can see guys after on guys the talkback setting at right side this guys you can see this blue icon guys, tap here. Then guys again guys two finger double tap means one finger with double tap. Stop talkback guys, tap here, double tap. So as your talkback problem is all, and guys you can see guys talkback guys how to use setting guys, volume keys, about talkback guys. You want to read, you can read from here. So guys like that guys you can solve guys your talkback problem in your Techno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.